test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. This is NOAA.
Not what I intended, but